Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I'm back after a small break, and then surely this recipe after a break should be something very special and then favorite of too many. As many requests of burger recipe, I really had to post something very simple and delicious too. As I always say that like my recipes will be simple and quick to make, but then they are yummy, delicious recipes too. And the best part about this recipe is that this burger patties needs only very simple and basic 5 ingredients only. Trust me, I know you cannot believe, but then do check the video till the end and you'll find out how simple is it to make. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I really hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming recipes. And as I always say, ingredients are given at the description box below. Do not forget to check it out from there. So let me show you what are these magical ingredients what you need to make the burger patties. And as you can see here, I have taken 500 grams of chicken breast, washed and drained well and cut into very small size pieces. And here this is 2 tablespoonful of mayonnaise, and this is 2 green chilies. You can take more if you want it to be spicy, but then 2 or maximum 3 is sufficient. And then these are 5 to 6 garlic cloves, and then salt will be according to your taste. And this is just the ingredients what you need to make the burger patties. And here what you have to do is you will have to take the chicken breast, mayonnaise, green chilies, garlic pods and salt, and then grind it. And as you can see, I have ground the chicken to a very smooth texture. And here I begin making the patties at easy and simple way. So do not worry about the shape and all. End of the day, it's really going to go inside the bun and then you're going to have your perfect patties. As you could see, I have kept the oil for deep frying on a medium flame. And then I've just washed my hands and having some water on my palm so that the chicken doesn't stick on my hands. And I just rolled it making patties. You really need to make a big one. If you can make a larger than your palm, that's great because it's going to shrink after you fry them. Here you could see it was really a big one, and then once I take it out from the oil it will shrink a little bit. So be sure about the size as much as you need. According to your bun size you can make the patties. And here your burger patties was really ready. Don't you think it's really a simple recipe? But then trust me, it's going to be these simple recipe, I mean ingredients are gonna make it so moist, tender and delicious one. And just make sure you do not burn the burger patties or over fry them so that the chicken would get dry. So now let's not waste the time and start making the burger. And here let me show you the ingredients what we need to assemble the burger. Here are the burger buns. You can also make them at home. Very soon I'll be sharing the homemade bun recipe. And these are the burger patties what I have fried. From the half kg chicken I really got around 9 to 10 patties. And here this is the normal processed slab cheese. I mean these are the cheese slabs. You can even take the cheddar one to get that more cheesy texture. And this is mayonnaise as much as you'd need. And this is the tomato ketchup. And these are the vegetables what you need in assembling the burger. And these are the onion rings, not very thin, thick, that's really according to your choice. And these are the tomato rings, and these are the lettuce. You can, I mean, call the salad leaves too, but then you can, that's really optional. You can either chop them or you can just keep it as it is so that you get that nice look of the burger. And even that crunch when you take a bite from your burger, that crispy lettuce give that nice crunch in your burger. But then for people like me, because I'm a person who really doesn't like lettuce leaves, but the burger is always incomplete, but still you can make a burger, yes, that exactly the delicious one even without the salad leaf. So if you really don't get them, so do not worry much. And here as you could see at the base of the bun I applied lots of ketchup. You can also add some mayonnaise too depending on your choice, and on the top I have applied mayonnaise. And at the base first it was cheese, then it was the chicken patties, and then salad leaves, onion rings and tomatoes. And here is your super yummy burger ready. But then let's go a little melt the cheese. You can just keep the pan on a very low temperature, I mean low flame, and then just keep the burger for 2 to 3 minutes till you see the cheese starts melting. You can even do that on grill pan or even a microwave for 1 minute or so. And for burger lovers, I would also tell you how you can make the double patty burger or the double cheese one. Here I have placed the chicken patties, and then again cheese, again the chicken patty, salad leaves, and the onion rings and tomatoes. And here is a big bite of your double patty burger ready. And then here I really want to tell you guys that this is the most simplest recipe what you can find on internet, and I would really like to thank Imran for the recipe, who's a cook at my uncle's place. His simple recipe, which he makes in no time, I really loved it, and I'm sure you all will also love this recipe. I really want you guys to try this recipe and let me know in the comments below, because without your comments, my efforts are always incomplete and they are really valuable to me. And now on, you really got to stop ordering it from outside, because when you can make this delicious recipe at home in no time, why do you need it from outside? Do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures what you have tried from my channel. I would love to share it on my feed. Do not forget to tag me on Salwa's Delicious Kitchen there. And I really hope you all have subscribed my channel till now. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Bye bye.